Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see different ways to say the word small. But before proceeding further, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. The first on the list is the pocket size. By the name itself, you can figure out a thing which is small and that can fit into your pockets. For example, we have pocket size sanitizers and pocket size mobile phones, which are very small and portable. The next is the word portable. Now, the portable word also means easy to carry, plus it is small. Like you have portable chargers and portable power banks, which you can carry it all along with you. So for example, Sam is on a flight and he needs a charger. So he needs to carry a portable charger which is small and that can be carried everywhere. The third on our list is the word miniature. Miniature means something which is mini. For example, the child plays with a mini train or a miniature train. That means he plays with a small toy train. Okay? The next on our list is the word compact. Compact means small room. It refers to a size of a room, like a compact space or a room. Okay, so in that sense, you can use the word compact instead of small. If you want to say that I live in a small room or I live in a small space, you can say I live in a compact space or I live in a small or a compact room. Okay? Before we move further, make sure you frame the sentences in the comment section. The next word on our list is the word undersize. Undersize means you're not appropriate to the size. Like you are under the size means you are below the average size chart. It refers to the fit of the cloth or the shoe fit. Okay? Like you are undersize. Diminutive is another way to say the word small. Like for example, she has diminutive hand for an adult. Means her hands are small as she is an adult. Even though she's an adult, her hands are small. That means diminutive. Okay? She has diminutive hands. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Press the subscribe button to never miss an update from Star Kids Learning. Bye for now. See you in the next video.